This is a super simple and useful component for controlling different actions in your projects. A button is a basic input device that allows you to send a signal to your Arduino when pressed. It can trigger a variety of actions like turning on a LED, activating a motor, or changing modes in a program. Let's make a circuit for better understanding. You'll need a few things: an Arduino, breadboard, a button, a 10K ohms resistor, and some jumper wires. I'm using a 2-pin button here, but if you are using a 4-pin button, the working logic is as you see on the screen. I connect one pin of our button to 5 volts on Arduino. And now I connect the other pin of the button to ground on Arduino with the 10K resistor. This is called pull down, and it's important to eliminate the parasitic electricity on your pin. After removing the parasitic electricity, I connect the pin to any digital pin on Arduino. When I press the button, you can see that the signal goes to the Arduino. Now let's add an LED to the circuit. If you have any question, freely ask on the comment section. Thanks for watching.